Completing the V30 series, Vivo has launched its affordable smartphone, the vivo V30e 5G. Priced under 20,000 pesos, will the vivo V30e 5G be a good smartphone option with this budget? Let's find out in this review. The vivo V30e 5G features a new design compared to its predecessor and other models in the series. This time, they opted for a curved design similar to other smartphones in the series. However, they changed the design of the rear camera section, featuring a circular camera bump instead of the square shape seen on other phones in the series. Other notable change is with its Aura Light 3.0, which differs from other phones in the series. They retained the previous generation design but improved it, increasing the light output area by 9 times and making the light 45% softer. The design we received is the Cocoa Brown variant, which combines a sandy and glossy back panel. For those who prefer other colors, they also offer the Cloud White variant with a pearly design. The button and port layout remains unchanged with the power button and volume rocker on the right side, and the SIM card slot, microphone hole, USB Type-C port, and speaker grill located at the bottom of the phone. Users can also use a microSD card if they do not use the second SIM card slot, providing additional storage if needed. Another significant improvement made to the vivo V30e 5G is its IP64 dust and water resistant rating, meaning it offers total dust ingress protection and is protected from water spray from any angle. The vivo V30e 5G features a curved 6.78-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 388 ppi. You will definitely enjoy watching your favorite shows on its big and vibrant display, which compares well with the other smartphones in its series. However, the situation is different for the speakers. Like other phones in the series, it still uses a downward firing speaker, whereas other brands have moved towards dual firing speakers. Under the hood of the vivo V30e 5G is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. They have reduced the RAM for this model but included expandable storage, a decision that may appeal to some Vivo users. The vivo V30e 5G runs FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14, which comes with a lot of pre-installed bloatware upon booting. However, these apps can be easily uninstalled. Navigation on the phone was smooth, and we did not encounter any bugs or issues throughout the review. In terms of performance, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 significantly improves upon its predecessor, the Snapdragon 695. It handles casual gaming and esports smoothly without stuttering. Even high-demanding graphic games like Wuthering Waves can be slayed at medium setting with minimal stuttering. Vivo is highlighting the main rear camera of the V30e 5G, now featuring a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor renowned for superior night shot. The ultra-wide camera remains at 8 megapixels, which has persisted across several generations. It would be beneficial if they upgraded it. The selfie camera has decreased to 32 megapixels and lacks eye-tracking autofocus. The picture quality from the Sony IMX882 is decent, showcasing an upgrade from its predecessor. It delivers punchier contrast and vibrant colors. However, PDAF and OIS are omitted in the Philippine model and are only available in India. The 32-megapixel front camera still provides decent performance, offering detailed images and near-natural skin tones. Another significant upgrade received with the vivo V30e 5G is in the battery department. It now boasts a 5,500 mAh battery, up from the 4,800 mAh battery of the V29e 5G. We tested its performance using the PCMark Work 3.0 battery life test at 50% display brightness and achieved an impressive result of 21 hours and 9 minutes. This means that if you're a light user, you can easily go 2 days without charging the vivo V30e 5G. As for charging, it remains the same with a 44 watts charger that recharged the battery from 20% in under an hour. The vivo V30e 5G presents itself as a solid option in the mid-range smartphone category, particularly for users looking for a large, high refresh rate display and decent overall performance. It offers good camera capabilities, expandable storage, and IP64 rated durability, making it a versatile choice. However, there are some notable trade-offs they made, like not offering camera AF feature in our region and still uses a single firing speaker. The vivo V30e 5G is priced at 17,999 pesos and it's available in Lazada, Shopee, TikTok Shop, and authorized Vivo stores nationwide. And that's it! We hope that with this video review, we were able to help you decide if this one is the right fit for your personal preference in buying a smartphone. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for the updates on our latest videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.